Hello, good morning. This is a strange video as part of a strange experiment, a strange project, I guess you would say. This video, for lack of anything better, is going to promote thereasonablerealtor.com. Please subscribe right, and it's not over here, is it? Is it over here? Maybe right here. Anyway, there's a red button for you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, which is going to get remarkably better over the course of the next month because I'm going to do my best to make a video every day uh, during the course of the month. So if nothing else, if I don't get better at making videos, uh, then at least maybe I won't deteriorate. Who knows? Maybe just the act of doing this will cause some deterioration. I don't know. I don't care. Please go ahead and subscribe, and watch the next one tomorrow, or maybe later on today. Thanks.